And first up, we cut across to breaking news coming in. BJP has appointed a fact-finding committee. In fact, this committee that is all set to submit the report on the alleged gang rape, where the BJP has demanded that Mamata Banerjee must apologize. Not just that, they've said that she also must resign as Bengal Chief Minister. The BJP has said it straight up that women safety is certainly a big question when it comes to West Bengal, as the recent RG Kar case and now the case that has been reported out of this law college has once again highlighted, as the BJP says women are not safe. Meanwhile, TMC saying that the BJP is just politicizing the matter. Let's listen into what Sambit Patra said.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के माननीय अध्यक्ष श्री जेपी नड्डा जी ने इस पूरे जघन्य कांड का मुआयना किया है और उन्होंने ये सब कुछ देखने के बाद, आफ्टर टेकिंग इनटू कंसिडरेशन दैट दिस इज एन एब्सोल्यूट ब्रूटल एक्ट, उन्होंने एक कमेटी बनाया है और वो कमेटी जो जाके जांच करेगी, ये कमेटी 4 दलीय सदस्यों का है और वो सदस्य है, मैं उनके नाम पढ़ रहा हूं, श्री सतपाल सिंह, पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री एवं पूर्व पुलिस आयुक्त मुंबई, श्रीमती मीनाक्षी लेखी, पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री, श्री विप्लव कुमार देव, सांसद लोकसभा, एवं श्री मनन कुमार मिश्र, सांसद राज्यसभा। यह जांच समिति शीघ्र ही घटनास्थल का दौरा करेगी और अपनी रिपोर्ट माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी को सौंपेगी।
There you see the BJP has appointed the fact-finding committee that is all set to look into every detail and submit a report to that effect of what had transpired at that time in this Bengal gang rape horror. Not just that, the BJP has said it straight up that Mamata Banerjee must resign. Let me cut across to Anupam Mishra joining us on the broadcast with further details of the committee that has been constituted. By when are they likely to submit this report? The BJP adamant Mamata Banerjee must resign.
Well, there is a fierce political battle ongoing in Kolkata right now between BJP and TMC, and let me show you a huge police deployment at Gadiahat crossing, which is very near to South Kolkata Law College where the incident happened, and BJP is scheduled to hold a protest from here, and that is why this huge kind of police arrangement has been made here. The Sukanto Majumdar, the state president and minister of BJP, will be there in the protest, and that is why this arrangement is there in Gadiahat crossing. So BJP is hitting the street, CPM and Congress are also hitting the street, whereas TMC is putting up questions on other BJP-ruled states about the women's safety. So there's a political blame game going on between BJP and TMC at present.
Continue talking to us, Anupam, especially with regards to this committee that has been constituted and a likely chance that the TMC may object to it, because even in the past they have said that such political opportunism, as they term it, must be avoided. So in that sense, with regards to this committee, when are they likely to land on the ground to speak to the victim? How will they go about with the investigation? When will the report be submitted? What more are you learning?
Well, you know that BJP has constituted a committee that will inquire about these things, about the incident. They will talk to the victim, they will go to the places. But as of now, more details are yet to reach here. And look at these police arrangements. Police is almost chasing BJP workers here, and BJP workers are gathering in distance, and police is trying to reach to them. So this is the condition at Gadiahat crossing at present. You can see there is a lot of action happening in Kolkata, in Gadiahat mode at present. Those are the BJP workers who have gathered here for the protest, but they are not coming here because of the heavy police arrangement here. So it's a battle which is ongoing between BJP and TMC. Both war of words are happening, and BJP is also hitting the street.
All right, Anupam, many thanks.